Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, How to Install Outlook Mail in PC. So, let's get started. First thing first, open the Google and search Outlook Mail at official website. Click on it. You can see top right corner of the screen, 3 dots. Click on it. Scroll down and install. Click on it. Wait for installing the app. Go back and check the install. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials.